Hello friends, my name is Ramsu. Today we shall discuss about a topic, the types of cloud computing. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in cloud computing, that how it's working and what are its different types. This is very interesting and important topic for you. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page and Instagram as well. So friend, what are the different types of cloud computing? Basically, cloud computing is the delivery of on-demand computing services from application to storage and processing power, typically over the internet and on a pay-as-you-go basis. In one statement, cloud computing is the delivery of on-demand IT resources over the internet. The companies that offer these computing services are called cloud service providers, CSPs. CSP charge users organizations based on cloud resources used through a variety of billing models. Cloud resources are the resources that are abstracted from the underlying physical hardware with the help of a hypervisor. But there is a lot of confusion about cloud computing because there are multiple types of services and deployment models that fall under the umbrella that is cloud computing. There are mainly four types of cloud deployment models: public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud and community cloud. So we shall discuss one by one in detail. These deployment models differ on the basis of implementation type, hosting type and who has access to it. All cloud deployment models are based on the same principle of virtualization, abstraction of resources from bare metal hardware, but differ in terms of location, storage capacity, accessibility and more. Depending on the type of data you are working with, you will want to compare public, private, hybrid and community clouds in terms of different levels of security they offer and the management required. Public cloud. The entire computing infrastructure is located on the premises of CSP that offer cloud services over the internet. This is the most economical option for those individuals/organizations that do not wish to invest in IT infrastructure. In a public cloud environment, the resources are shared between multiple users who are also called tenants. The cost of using cloud services is determined through the usage of IT resources consumed. Private cloud. Individuals/organizations that choose private cloud gets dedicated infrastructure that is not shared by any other individual/organization. The security and control level is highest while using a private network. The costs are borne by an individual or organization and are not shared with any other individual or organization. Management of private cloud is taken care of by the user and the CSP does not provide any cloud management services. Hybrid cloud. This cloud deployment model includes the characteristics of public cloud and private cloud. Hybrid cloud allows the sharing of data and applications between public and private cloud environments. Organizations mainly use hybrid cloud when their on-premise infrastructure needs more scalability, so they make use of scalability on public cloud to meet fluctuating business demands. Organizations can keep their sensitive data on their private cloud when reaping the power of the public cloud. Community cloud. A community cloud is a cloud infrastructure that is shared by users of the same industry or by those who have common goals. This cloud infrastructure is built after understanding the computing needs of a community, as there are many factors including compliances and security policies which needs to be included in the community cloud infrastructure. Organizations from different verticals can benefit through cloud computing, like banking and finance, government, manufacturing, healthcare, education, pharmaceutical, transport, real estate, IT. Further, the cloud services models are classified as IaaS, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service, and storage, database, information process, application integration, security management, and testing as a service. Cloud computing services fall into three main categories: infrastructure as a service (IaaS), platform as a service (PaaS), and software as a service (SaaS). Function as a service (FaaS) is a relatively new cloud service model. These are like, first we shall discuss about infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service (IaaS) contains the most basic building blocks for cloud infrastructure and offers services on top of it, such as renting IT infrastructure, virtual or physical, and networking features. IaaS mainly includes cloud based services on a pay as you go model. A user pays for computing services on IaaS because it is the fundamental platform to build new technologies. Platform as a service or PaaS. Platform as a service (PaaS) refers to the supply of on-demand tools for developing, testing, delivering, and managing software application. PaaS delivers a framework for developers and IT architects to create web or mobile apps that are scalable without worrying about setting up or managing the underlying infrastructure of servers, storage, networks, and database needed for development. Software as a service. Software as a service is a method for delivering on demand software applications through cloud on a subscription basis. A CSP takes care of managing the cloud infrastructure and offers SaaS applications over the internet to a user that are accessible through a web browser. These applications are also available on multiple devices which can be accessed from anywhere. Function as a service FAFWS. Functions as a service with adds another layer of abstraction to PaaS so that developers are completely isolated from everything in the stack their code. FWS is the concept of services computing instead of handling the hassles of virtual servers, containers, and application runtimes. They upload narrowly functional blocks of code and set them to be triggered by a certain event. FWS applications consume no IaaS resources until an event occurs, reducing pay per use fees. So, friend, thank you. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues. And thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you, friends.